Well, I've got this beautiful vintage Ellgreave branded teapot made by Wood & Sons. Ellgreave was a brand operated by that pottery. It's an unusual one, this. I've not seen it before. It's got some nice moulding details on it, which really makes it stand out. But it's the sort of mid-century design that's really quite unusual. Figs, purple figs on one side, and on the rear, what I suspect is a honey melon. Difficult to know, particularly with that sort of foliage above it. More impressionistic than accurate depiction of what it is, but a sort of autumn fruits type design in this sort of quite nice pastel-y colours. It's a hand painted design on both aspects, which I suspect would make this quite unique. I don't think this is a transfer print down to the detail. It's difficult to say because it is overglazed. Now you've also got these mouldings on the rib walls. You can see this rotated ribbing coming up to the top, and on the handle as well. You've got a nice little thumb rest here, but also some arch support moulding in the handle, and also on the spout. If I just tip that up, you can see this sort of leaf design coming down from the tip of the spout. There are some fine crazing cracks in the glaze, just in the glaze, not in the actual ironstone of the teapot. And this is ironstone. Let's show you the lid before we move to the China mark. Again, some nice moulding on this dome-shaped teapot with a little acorn or flower bud handle, again with good retained gilt quality around it, and very nice and clean rims and everything. Inside, again, that's a little moulding defect from when it was made. It's overglazed, so it's not a chip in the rim there at all, just a little depression. Nice clean sieve, has been used, as you can see, due to the tannin staining behind that, but otherwise it's in fine condition. So let's move now to the factory mark. Beautifully depicted pictorial Ellgreave, Ralph Moses, Enoch Wedgwood, or Wood & Sons, should I say more accurately, a division of Woods, England, genuine ironstone, painted by somebody called SRR, very keen to demarcate who's actually done the gilding work on here. And it's impress marked, as you can see, Ellgreave, England. So a lovely and quite unusual and rare piece of English ironstone in relatively good condition. I mean, the glaze itself, apart from the little thermal cracks that are through it, are in fine condition. This is fully usable. I've got no concerns with anybody buying this to actually use, but it's probably going to be more decorative than it is likely to see much heavy use because of its age, and it's just an attractive piece. Available for sale on the Vintage and Antiques website. We've got a lovely range of period vintage and antique teapots. If you're looking for something and this isn't quite it, then do go through on this link, have a look through the website. Just on a teapot search phrase, it should show you the entire catalogue of probably a couple of hundred pieces available for sale from us in the UK. Thanks for watching.